This video is about beat plan management in Supersales. Press the plus button and select visit and go to beat plan. On the beat plans you will see the list of beat plans planned for the current month. You can change the month to a future month if you want to create beat plans for a future month, say June 20. Now to add a new beat plan or assign a new beat plan, press plus. Select the time period for which you want to create beat plans. Typically beat planning is done for a week or a fortnight or a month at one shot, where you plan each day of the week which beat you will take. So let's say on first you select what is your beat plan, say Bhiwani. Say for second you select Jind as your beat plan. Now you want to see the detail what comprises this beat. So beat is a master which is created one time, where each beat is a set of shops you can visit in one day. So for each day you assign a particular, say Fatehabad on 3rd. On 4th you again select Jind area 1 or Jind 2. Then on 5th, let's say you again select say Jind, and 6th you again select Fatehabad 2. So you select what beat you are going to take for each of the 7 days of the week or 30 days of the month, and you submit. So moment you do that, in your date wise calendar these beats will come, where when you open your sales plan for the day, the list of all the retailers for that beat would appear. You can also see this in your list view, where for each day the beat which you are selecting is visible. You can see it in the calendar view. For each date the beat you have selected appears. So finally this beat plan translates into your visit plan for the day. So if you want to edit your beat plan, there is an option there to edit your beat plan what you already assigned. So if you decide that, let's say on 5th or 6th, instead of visiting an X beat you want to make it a Y beat, you can change your beat plan. You can even delete a beat you already assigned. And once you delete, you can add a new beat for that day. So we deleted the beat for first, and let's say we changed for 3rd of June, we change the beat. And then once we have made these changes in the beat plan, we submit. So just to show you, the edit option is on the right hand top. So when you go to your sales plan for the day, the beat of that day will appear, the beats you have assigned for that day will appear. So for example, for today you have created beats called Sarsa 2 and Sarsa 1. So both these beats will appear in your plan for today, and for today the list of outlets which you are going to visit as a part of this beat will